All right, we're going to review our printing station procedures. Yay! We're going to make many, many prints working on our pop art project, and we need to know how to use the station correctly. You will be called back to the printing station based on your table number. When your table number is called, you're going to take your foam image back to the inking station. Just your foam, not your paper, just your foam. When you get to the inking station, you're going to take your foam, you're going to place it in the rectangle, and you're going to ink up. Ink up. Put it in here. See where there's X? Set it in there. Okay. And now you're going to ink up. When you're inking up, your brayer goes up and down. You can also go side to side, but you don't want to zigzag your brayer. You just want to go up and down, up and down. Pick it up. When your ink is on there really well, it kind of makes a kind of sound. You can kind of hear it. And that's a good sound. That means you're ready. Okay. Then you're going to roll it onto the foam just lightly. A little bit goes a long way. A couple passes. You can also go this way. It's a little tricky to hold on to it and do it at the same time, but it's also okay if you get a little ink on the table because we just have the tables covered with paper anyway. All right. When you're done with your brayer, you set it in the tray, but you leave the handle sticking out. You don't want to put the handle in the tray because it'll get ink all over the handle. So set it down like this with the brayer sticking out, the handle sticking out. There you go. All right, then you're going to take your foam back to your seat to pull a print. Take your foam back to your seat to pull a print. All right, when you get back to your seat, you're going to put your inky foam onto your placemat. This is a placemat. It's hard to see. And then you're going to take a piece of paper, the one that you already wrote your name on. You're going to have your name on the back, and the blank side is the front. You want the blank side to touch on the paper. You can kind of line it up like that a little bit and then set it down. And then you're going to rub on the back. Now, we could use Barons. We don't have any. They're kind of soft little pad things you rub around. We're going to use the muscle, the thick muscle part of our hand here on our thumb to rub on ours. We're just going to rub in a circle, just kind of circular motions, circle, circle, circle. You don't want to press really hard. You don't want to beat on it. You don't want to smash it because it can make little dents in your foam. And then the dents don't go away, so that's not a good thing. So just kind of rub, rub, rub in a circle. You want to press a little bit while you're doing it. You got to have some pressure, little circles. Now, before we pull the paper off, we're going to check it. If you take the paper off, you can't get it back in the same spot. So you have to check it before you pull it all the way off. So just check the corners a little bit. Not too bad. There's a little spot right there I got to get. Check the other corner. Not too bad. A little bit in here. Check the other corner. Not too bad. I kind of missed that little corner there. I got to get him. And then over here, we'll check it. Good. Okay. A little bit more. All right. When you're sure that you're ready, pull this off. And you will have a print. It will be the reverse of your foam. We're going to hold on to these the first round. We're going to print twice every class. The first time you just keep this at your seat and you put this in the drying rack. The second time this goes in the wash, but that's the basic idea. So anytime you make a print, you want to take that print and you want to go put it in the drying rack. Place your print in the drying rack. You're going to use a cheater sheet to go underneath it so that it doesn't flop down through the drying rack. So when you're finished, take this print over to the drying rack and put it in the drying rack with a cheater sheet underneath.